Hi everyone, this is Ann. Today I have a few makeup tips on how to maximize the space on your upper eyelids between your lash line and your crease. And by doing this, it helps to open up the eye and make it appear a little bit more lifted, which is great as we age. Our eyelids tend to droop a little bit, or if you have hooded eyes, these tricks can help to make your upper lid appear a little bit more open and lifted. For your upper lashes, you want to use a very thin-tipped, skinny eyeliner. And I'll list all the products that I use for these techniques down in the description box in case you want to see what I use. And you're going to just put little dots in between your upper lashes. And by filling in the little areas with dots in between your lashes, that helps to define your lash line without a thick waterline of liner. And then after you've filled in little dots going along your lash line, you take the very thin liner and you're going to line right against your lash line. And the thinner you can get this line right against your lashes, the better, because that will leave more space between your lashes and your crease, which will give a more open look. And the thicker of a line you have there, the more closed in the space looks between your crease and your lash line. And then for your lower lashes, you want to use a lighter color liner. And again, just put little dots in between your lower lashes to help define the lower lash line. To finish the look, I apply one layer of a lengthening mascara to my upper and lower lashes, and then I apply a second layer of mascara to my upper lashes only, and this time I use a volumizing mascara with fibers in it. And this technique just really helps to define the eyes and maximize the space that we have on our upper eyelids. I hope you enjoyed these quick tips. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and you enjoy my videos, I hope that you go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any tips to share for eye makeup, please do so down in the comments. I would love to hear your tips.